Okay, it's Friday, the 2nd of May. This is your 72-hour forecast for southeastern PA, New Jersey, and Delaware, brought to you by Weather Outlook. Okay, so these are your temperatures Friday afternoon. Lots of 80s, and where it's not 80s, it's upper 90s, but or not upper 70s. I wish it was 90s, but 70s. But you can see right along the shore here, it's a lot cooler. It's still the waters are cold, it's not hasn't warmed up. So you get that breeze from the south or from the east coming off, and temperatures are much chillier. Um, we do have a lot of rain that's going to come through. Let's see here if we can bring this up for you. Right now, this was in the afternoon. Starting to put this together. We got to move this out. You can see they pop up. Here's one up here by Newark, heading towards New York City. Late this afternoon. A little bit around Philly here. It looks like one might pop up. But as we go into the evening, this takes you to around 4 or 5 o'clock, and you can start to see them starting to pop up. And they do. They're scattered, so exactly where they show up can vary. This is just a simulation. But as you can see, they start to move through. Pretty much here's a line this evening around 7 o'clock. It's a broken line, but it's pretty much there. You can see there's some heavier um, rains just north of Philly. And then as we get close to midnight here, you can see that things have pretty much calmed down. A few scattered areas have some showers. Temperatures have dropped a little bit, but they're basically still in the 60s. So, you can probably open your windows for the most part and get some moisture. I found out that not just temperature, but moisture in a house, especially after closing all your windows all winter long, it's good to get some fresh air in. Okay, so we're going to move this out, and you can see there's some scattered sprinkles and showers. Here's a thunderstorm here north of Cape May, Wildwood up that way. This is around 7 in the morning, but it moves off quickly, and you pretty much stay dry except for a couple scattered showers. But then you got to wait till late in the afternoon. This is around 7 o'clock, and you can see them up here from Allentown, Stroudsburg, Allentown, towards Reading, starting to get started. And then you'll see them. They're pretty much in the northern area here. This is around 8. Here's 9. They're becoming more numerous. Here's 10. Here's 11. Here's 12. Now you notice that they're coming more from the west. So that gets you out of being dry as this moves across. Now this is around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning. Here comes your rain in now. This is around 8 o'clock in the morning. Reading all the way down here towards Baltimore, D.C. It's raining in Delaware. There's some scattered showers here by Philadelphia. And then you can see, this is the interesting, I wanted to point this out. Look how these things are popping up. So you're going to have downpours that might rain a little bit, and then downpour and rain a little bit. But kind of crazy, kind of a pattern. But until the low that's out there by Indiana and all moves, we're kind of stuck in the rotation of the rain moving up from the south and the downpours. This is Sunday around 11 o'clock in the morning, and then we move this out. And as you can see, here's noon, 1 o'clock. A pretty good line set up here went through Philly. It's going up this way now towards Trenton, and then you got more storms out to the west. So pretty good rain. This takes you to around 4 in the afternoon. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8. This is Sunday and begins to pull away, but there's more rain and showers on tap for Monday coming up. How much total rain in this short next 72-hour period? It's streaky. Again, up here, sure, Pocono is up this way, pretty heavy rains. Northern New Jersey, heavy rains could be over an inch, 2 inches up there. Elsewhere, it's anywhere in the yellowish areas, are an inch and a quarter to maybe an inch and 3/4. The green areas, you're talking lighter amounts, and the blue areas, lighter amounts. But again, depending on where these storms line up, will vary where the rain is at. The bottom line is everybody's going to get some rain, and where the storm set up and whatever you get, a downpour can give you, I mean, really, a downpour can give you 3/4 of an inch of rain in a very short period of time. So it's going to be raining. By the middle of next week, everybody will have had enough rain. They should be happy and be looking for the sun. All right, everybody take care. Be safe.